Come on. Come on. Hey, hi. Hello.
Okay, so I understand the track is not matching up with my map. But,
that's actually sick.
Loving it. This will do. I'm happy to call this the upper. That is grouse, man. Wild as. Wow, we are so high. High chance there's gonna be no people at this point.
I don't know what the hell that noise is, but that is disturbing.
Tell ya, this is not out of the normal tourist comfort zone. I don't know what will be.
Hey, hi, hello, hey, hey, come on, 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 come on. Okay, be angry.
All right, we're on an adventure, which is always fun. So we're on this track that's supposed to be for motorcycle only. It's supposed to take us to our waterfall, so see how we go here. It says we're on the track, which is good. It's about 2k's return. I'm going to figure out what the go is with it. Let's be looking for one called Telaga, Waja, but then on the sign it says Sabuda or something, so I think they might have two names, which we discovered today. Another one had two names as well, which is weird. Anyway, we're running out of daylight and time really fast. It's 4:45, but see how we go here. Hopefully we can knock this out. Be happy days. Wow, we are so high and the waterfall's way down there. We're not exactly beside us, but further on, but that river is raging. Holy hell, man. I can't believe how steep that drops off. Those lines barely do it justice, honestly. Wow. You know, we curve this around and this will end at the creek and we'll finally climb down. The last bit will be steep for us, but we'll get down there and then try and find our way. Bit of construction going on here. Love these power lines. Like, I don't know how that's going to electrocute me, but I wouldn't want to touch it to find out, but it's pretty low lying wire. Wow, what a hectic gorge down there.
Okay, I don't know what the hell that noise is, but that is disturbing.
Well, high chance there's going to be no people at this waterfall because, yeah, so two different scooters come past going, hello, Mr. Yes. Hello. Up there. Going, hello, Mr. There's a lady up there saying, hello, Mr. Where are you going? Like Air Terjun. His view is actually wild. That's the river we're going to get into. That's insane. It's going to have some flow, that's for sure. Hopefully this track does work and actually gets us there. I'm going to find out. We're on this razorback at the moment between two creeks. The river's down there, the creek's down here. It's flowing hard. This track's turned into, that's wild. It was paved as 4 wide and it's turned into like 1, basically. Oh. Well, there's some old steps. This is our way down. Leaves the motorbike track. The last house had a lady. I said, Air Terjun? She's like, yep. I'm like, all right, this is it. Look how wild this is going to be. Wow. There's going to be no tourists down here. That's for sure. I'll tell you, if this is not out of the normal tourist comfort zone, I don't know what will be. We've got a long way to get down still. But looks like it's going to push us into that trib and then we're going to hopefully get in. Now the waterfall's on a trib, it's not on the main river because that main river is flat, as you can see. Now it might be an issue because we're supposed to be on the other side. So I hope we don't have to cross the river. I think we can maybe view it from afar, might be the only way. Probably there's serious pipe running out here would be my guess. The trib is dribbling, I can hear her. So someone made a lot of effort to make these steps, but it's just not cut back at all. Wow. Now we're walking in the trib, so I was right. I didn't think they were going to build it in the actual water, but they have. Okay, so I understand the track is not matching up with my map, but this is the trip. The waterfall's on it. We're actually going to be on top of it, or maybe it's, I think it's below us. I don't know how this is going to work at all. This is hectic. There might be a waterfall upstream on the room if we're lucky, but I think we're on top of a really big drop. Anyway, that's wild. There might be one in that corner there. We'll have a look over this edge, if I can get there. Need to be on the river to really see it. So yeah, the track's supposed to take us down the river, but that didn't work, unless I missed the turn off. But I don't know how this is going to work, but yeah, we're on top of it, that's for sure. Could be another top down there as well. It's pretty gnarly. There's supposed to be a way back down there, but it might not exist. Alright, we'll have a look at this corner and then we'll just see if there's ants on me. Damn it. Fuck. Go away. We'll see what we're going to do. We'll go back to barely even see the track we come down. Now, if it does cross here and continue, this might be a whole different track, but if that is, that's super overgrown. Anyway, we're just going to try to see this corner. And if we can see the upper level of it, it's something. Yeah, it looks big. It's going to be sick. Oh, that's actually sick. Loving it. This will do. I'm happy to call this the upper. That is grouse, man. Wild as. Get a bit closer here. Definitely, probably not seen by any tourist for a long time, let alone Australian. This is what I live for every friggin' time. Hell yeah. The spray is fierce. It's wetting me over here, like with the force of that water. Holy hell, man, that is wild. Woo! I don't know what that flower is, but it's definitely an Asian flower or Indonesian, because I've never seen it before. Alright, up and out. Time to end the day. We've had a good run. Probably got about 7 waterfalls today. So I'll do the count and I'm gonna have a look back at this corner where this little house thing was. I think that might have been the split for possibly a track down, if it even exists. This was the more obvious track. It's still concrete here, so who knows. But this is definitely untouched. Alright, so if I'm following the guy's track down, this is supposed to be it. That's pretty rugged, it doesn't even look like a track at all. It's definitely a concrete path. It's not even back at the house exactly where. Well, maybe it is. Maybe there's another one. It's really hard to know. It could be here. Yeah. Could be the way down. Actually. I stuffed the eggs up and that's definitely a little confusing me not paying attention. Ended up going too far behind someone's little house. And he's sitting on the hill holding the old cane sickle. A little bit frightening. I know we're not meant to be on that track, but I was on a track. So I'm trying to go up. He's like, yep, it's fine. Thank God. We're up and along now. So yeah, I figured out the track that I could have took down to get down. But it's going to have to be another day, another trip. At least you've got one, the upper one. That's the one I've seen the photo of anyway. The lower one, haven't seen a photo of. So, but yeah, interesting nonetheless. Oh, humid, sweaty. Feel like it's going to be a thunderstorm. It just feels like that humidity. It's not even summer yet. So, just walk back along the flat motorbike track, back to where my driver is, and happy days. I've got about a 45-minute drive back to the hotel. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy this journey. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit notification bell to get notified of all the new misadventures. And yeah, I'll be back for the lower one for sure. I would have done it now if I wasn't worried about him waiting on me. Actually, he's a bit worried about the parking stuff as it is where he is. So it's definitely, this is a weird one. He even said it was a parking symbol where he was, but it's not. So anyway, catch the next one. Peace out. These villagers look at me.